Now, if you are asked to convert from one scale to another, if you're asked to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit scale, how do you do that? How do you convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit scale? How do you convert from centigrade maybe to centimeters mercury? This is the formula you're going to use. So this formula is applicable to any kind of calculation you want to do. Reading minus lower fixed point divided by upper fixed point minus lower fixed point. And what do I mean by the upper fixed point and the lower fixed point? Minimum value, the maximum value. The minimum value is also called the lower fixed point, and it can also be called the highest point. Alright, while the upper fixed point is the maximum value in that scale, alright, and it can also be referred to as the upper fixed point or the steam point or the boiling point. So for your Celsius scale, the reading represents the value that you will be asked to find. So you can represent as X. The lower fixed point for Celsius scale is 0 degrees Celsius. For upper fixed point, it is 100 degrees Celsius. For Fahrenheit scale, the lower fixed point is 32 degrees Fahrenheit and the upper fixed point is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. And the difference, the gap between the lower fixed point and the upper fixed point for Fahrenheit scale is 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, now let's take one to your example. You ask to 64 degrees Fahrenheit to convert to Celsius. Alright, so how do you convert this to Celsius? Very simple. This is your reading, and the lower fixed point for Fahrenheit scale is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and the upper fixed point is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. So what you have to do is you use this formula, reading minus LFP, alright, LFP over UFP minus LFP, and that's going to be what? Your reading is what? 64 minus 32 divided by 212 minus 32 equals to the same thing for the Celsius scale, but we have the reading, we don't know, reading minus. What is the lower fixed point for Celsius scale? 0 degrees Celsius divided by the upper fixed point is 100 degrees Celsius minus 0 degrees Celsius. So if you subtract 32 from, you have 32 over 180 is equals to R over 100, right? So if you do that, you are going to cross multiply, and we have 32 times 100 equals to 180R. Divide both sides by 180. When we divide by 180, my R is going to be 3200 divided by 180. This cancels this. And at the end, 200 divided by 180, your answer is going to be 17.7 degrees Celsius. So I have succeeded in converting from the Fahrenheit scale to the Celsius scale. That is how to answer the question. So how we do one more example, how to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit scale. Convert 50 degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius. So what do I need to do? Very simple. My reading is equal to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. So I will just say my reading minus my LFP over my UFP minus LFP. And that's going to be what my reading is 50 minus the lower fixed point for Fahrenheit scale is 32 divided by upper fixed point is 212 minus 32 equals to the reading for my Celsius scale is unknown, R minus, then the lower fixed point is 0 degrees divided by 100 minus 0 degrees. 50 minus 32 is going to give us 18, right? Divided by 180 is equals to R over 100. So I'll cross multiply. So I'm going to have 1800 is equals to 180 R. Divide both sides by 180 and then I have 10. So my reading is going to be 10 degrees Celsius. Alright, so converting from Fahrenheit to Celsius, this is 10 degrees Celsius. And finally, let me convert this Celsius to Fahrenheit. Let's see if we get 50 degrees Fahrenheit. 10 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit scale, degree Fahrenheit. All I just say, my reading is 10. I'll just say 10 minus 0, which is the lower fixed point, divided by 100 minus 0 equals to my reading minus the lower fixed point is 32 degrees divided by upper fixed point 212 minus 32. So I'm going to have 10 over 100 is equals to r minus 32. We have 180 times 10 and then 100 times this. Okay, so 100 divides 100, you have r minus 32 left, and on this side you have 1800, that's 1800 divided by 100. Two zeros cancels, two zeros, what do you have left? R minus 32 equals 18. My minus 32 will cross the bridge and become positive. So my R is going to be 18 plus 32, and that is 50 degrees Fahrenheit. So R, can you see, I've gotten exactly the same thing, 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Converting to Celsius is 20 degrees, is 10 degrees Celsius. And vice versa. Here, 50 degrees Fahrenheit gives me 10 degrees Celsius, and 10 degrees Celsius gives me 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Thank you for being a part of today's class. If you have not subscribed to our channel, do well to subscribe to our channel. And if you have a question, feel free to drop the question. Let me give you this assignment as you go. Convert 72 degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius. Go into the comment section and answer the question. Drop your answers in the comment. I'll be there to check it out. Thank you for being a part of today's class. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.